I'm at 168 Market, located at 1421 E Valley Blvd, city of Alhambra, California, near the intersection between Valley Blvd and New Avenue. 168 Market is a chain Asian supermarket with new renovation, market, bakery, and deli section. There are several small stores and a big parking lot near entrance. Customers can save a lot of money if check the 168 Market weekly sale ad before visiting. I'm gonna taste this soy drink made by Vitasoy company. Vitasoy company is a major beverage company in Hong Kong. This one is less sugar and it's a non-dairy drink. Let's open this. Six in one bag. It comes with a straw. So put it in. Drink this. That's a good soy drink taste. Not so sweet. That's a good soy drink taste. Very good. I'm gonna taste these two different flavor sweet rice cake. This one is the original flavor, and this one is the green tea flavor. And this one is made by Kunde Bakery in California. And this green tea that's imported from Taiwan. And Nian Gao, that in Chinese, that sounds like every year the life will get better and better. So this is for the New Year's food. This is the original flavor sweet rice cake. This is green tea flavor sweet rice cake. We have different ways to taste it. First, we're gonna cut them into pieces. And first way is we're gonna put this into microwave. And second way is we're gonna wrap with rice paper and put in air fryer. First, we cut the sweet rice cake into pieces. That's original flavor and this green tea flavor. And then we put in microwave for high. For the original flavor, that's 20 seconds. And for the green tea flavor, that's 30 seconds until they're soft. Let's try the original one first. Soft. It's soft. Good. It's sweet. Very fresh. It tastes like the real sweet rice cake. Very good. And I tried the green tea flavor. It's more chewy, less sweet, and with the green tea flavor. Let's drink this. So for this too, I like the original flavor better. But if you like the chewy, and you should pick the green tea flavor. We're gonna use this 25 cm rice paper, and we're gonna cut in pieces, and we're gonna wrap the sweet rice cake and put in air fryer. Wet the rice paper until it's soft and wrap it. This one is the original flavor. Wrap it around. Okay, and put into air fryer. So we put this sweet rice cake wrapped inside the rice paper and put in the air fryer 280 degrees for 5 minutes. So in this way, then it won't be sticky to your hand. So you can eat like a candy, like a snack. Rice paper is crispy and the sweet rice cake is soft. That's very good. And this one is the green tea flavor. Crispy outside, soft inside. It's green tea flavor. And let's drink this. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.